am like so happy right now. I am on Rolling Thunder. Rolling Thunder. Rolling Thunder. I just love saying that. Rolling Thunder. Rolling Thunder. Rolling Thunder. It's right next to El Toro and right there's King the Car. I went on that before. You saw me. Oh my god. That isn't scary. This is the dumbest ride I've ever been on. Why are you screaming, lady? You're even going fast. Oh my god. What the heck is that? Why is Lily crying? I'm still laughing. Oh my god, man, I swear. This ride is not scary, you loser. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna